bought that night.
Kasi,
I'm already sitting down. What the heck, you're so
parang it's not worth it.
Ah!
Kasi madirty lang naman nahihiga. Anong dugyutin?
For the experience. Ano yan pag room yan? Ipapa-laundry mo?
Oh my god, look how fat it is.
Hindi ko alam. Oh, ano kayo dyan? Nasa Taiwan pa? Ay, nasa
Oh my
hotel ka ba?
god!
Nasa hotel ka ba?
Look at mommy smile.
Oh, ganyan lang yan.
Mommy, you should put this on top of this.
Dito ka lang dito. Ba't ang laki? Ay, grabe siya. Ang laki.
Now the neighbors looking at us.
Wow, wow. Iingit si Kuya. Ano sarap. Kasi ganyan.
Oh my god.
I saw it. Mommy's so excited. She stepped on my foot.
Grabe.
Pangit ng camera ko.
Mommy, put this first.
Nung bumili nito sa akin, hindi ko makakiriyo.
Now Ria will be in bed.
Yo, let's sleep.
Wow.
Pangmayabang.
Anak, ang ganda. Para tayo nasigla sa hotel.
Ay, oo nga.
Bella, slide down na.
Sarap.
I'll sleep na, ha?
Okay.
Bella, feel it.
Feel it.
Try to go here.
Yeah.
Try to go to my position.
Shit.
Bear video.
Pangit na room. Parang naligaw yung kama. Yo! Ay, mami. Ay, ang sarap.
What the heck?
Oh my gosh! Grabe, ang sarap. Diba? Pagkisirahan natin. Ayan po. Kay Soldia. Para ba sa ano? Thailand?
It's gonna ng Gikas.
Parang sa Thailand, diba? Ano sa hotel, diba? Pambili ng gamot. Grabe! I love that.
Do you stay there or stay here?
I'll get the small pillow.
Oh my god, that's here.
What? Oh, yung pillow na lang natin.
It's good. But you have already...
Hindi ka tapusin. Ito yun lang. May mahirap ko sa area yung bubila. Tinuruan ako magpalo. Dito, oh. Ayan, ito. Ayan. Bubuhod. Gawin na natin para... Hindi marunong.
Oh my god, I love you. Oh shit! I love you, Ben. What?
Mama, I'm ugly. Hey, guys. Oh, nasa ba kayo ng kapatid? Nasa pa yun. Mommy's food. Mommy's food.
Mommy's
So, ay, iwanan niyo ko dito 10 minutes. Tulog ako.
I'm never going to school.
Hey! It's like a cloud.
Not
Right.
a cloud. Can't you believe it? This is not so ugly. Why are you crying there?
Oh, it's because of this thing. Ay,
Mommy is crying.
why? Eh, what the?
She's so happy because
No. This, dapat dikit for the lashes.
Corona na. Sad.